In this tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how to create a brand new Google search campaign from scratch. First, go to ads.google.com. Log in to your Google Ads account. Make sure you select the correct ad account if you manage multiple accounts. On the main dashboard, click the blue plus icon to create a new campaign. Google will now ask you to choose a campaign objective. You will see options like sales, leads, website traffic, brand awareness, and more. I will explain each campaign objective in detail in another tutorial. For now, I'm selecting lead because I want more users to submit the contact form on my website. You can also choose the last option, create a campaign without guidance, if you want full control without Google suggestions. Now Google will ask you to add a conversion goal. If you have already set up conversions, select your lead form submission conversion. If not, watch the video linked in the iCard where I explain how to set up conversion tracking. After adding the conversion goal, click Continue. Choose Search as your campaign type because we want our ads to appear on Google search results. Next, Google will ask, how do you want to achieve your goal? I'm selecting website visits because I want users to visit my site and submit the contact form. Now enter your website URL and click Continue. Give your campaign a clear and meaningful name, then click Continue. Under Bidding, select Conversions because our goal is to get the maximum number of lead form submissions. I will not set a target CPA for now. Google will automatically optimize the campaign for more conversions. Click Next. Under Network, turn off Search Partners. Turn off Display Network. This is important because search partners may show your ads on websites outside Google, which often results in lower quality traffic. The display network is for banner ads, not search ads, and can waste your budget. We want a pure search campaign for best performance. Set your target location. Click the third option, enter another location, then click Advanced Search. From here, you can enter city name, postcode, full address, store location, country, or even set a radius around a specific area. Next, click Location Options and choose the second option, Presence, people in or regularly in your targeted locations. This is important because it shows ads only to people physically in your service area, not people who are just searching from another country. Set your language. You can add multiple languages if needed. For EU audience, choose No if it is not a political ad. Click Next. Here you will see an option called AI Max. AI Max is Google's AI-powered automation that helps you optimize your ad assets, improve relevance, save time by generating suggestions for keywords, headlines, images, and descriptions. I will keep AI Max off. You can turn it on as it helps beginners create effective campaigns faster. Click Next. Enter your website address. Google will scan your website and automatically generate keywords, ad headlines, descriptions, images, and other assets. You can click Generate to let Google build suggestions or click Skip to add everything manually. I will click Generate. Now you will see all the assets suggested by Google. Click Next. Set your daily budget based on how much you want to spend per day. This amount can always be changed later. Before publishing your campaign, review the important sections. From the left panel, click on Ad Group, then Keywords. Here you can remove irrelevant keywords, add your own keywords, improve keyword match types. For manual keyword research, watch the video linked in the iCard where I explain how to set up keyword research. Scroll down to the Ads section. Here you can change the final URL, edit the URL path, add or remove headlines, up to 15 per ad, update descriptions. Under business name and logo, add your legal business name and upload your logo. This section is not showing for me right now because I haven't added a payment method yet. Add site links. These are additional links showing under your ad that help users navigate to important pages like About Us, Contact, Services, Pricing. Site links increase your ad visibility and click-through rate. Add call-out extensions. Callouts are short text snippets like 24/7 support, free consultation, fast service. These highlight your business benefits. There are many more asset types like phone number, lead form extension, structured snippets. I will explain all ad extensions in detail in another tutorial. On the right side, you can see how your ad will look on the Google search results page. If everything looks good, click the Publish button. Your Google search campaign is now live.
If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and watch my other tutorials to grow your digital marketing skills. Thanks for watching Digital Growth Tutor.